Merhaba, I'm Ula. I'm from Amman, Jordan, and I'm a fashion designer. It's the last days in Fabricademy. I'm really happy that I got this opportunity because I learned many things that I never thought they are possible. I look around in Instagram. I never thought that I'll be one of the people that will be able to do such cool projects. The Archive of Emotions, which is my final project, is a project that I use data. I used parametric design and traditional fabric manipulation techniques and hand sewing. What I love about this project that I was able to combine traditional crafts with technology and new methods of fabrication. Fabricademy allowed me to open my eyes into different horizons of fashion. I obtained many technical skills that will allow me to work on very complicated and multi-layered projects with confidence. This is the most important thing.